Experience minimalistic yet chic living at 925 East 46th Street in Chicago, a student accommodation designed with your comfort in mind. Pick from opulent non-en suites, 1 and 3 bedroom apartments with wood laminate floors, a carpet for flair, and a kitchen pantry to stock with groceries to awaken the chef in you over the weekends. There's also a laundry center available to help you escape time-consuming laundromat runs. And here's a bonus. This property is pet-friendly, so you can bring your pod pals along for constant company. This ideal location places you just minutes away from the University of Chicago and Illinois College of Optometry, so you'll never be late to class. Hop onto a bus from 47th Street and Drexel right around the corner, or catch the subway from 47th Street Kenwood and explore all that Chicago has to offer. So, gear up to move in at 925 East 46th Street in Chicago. Just visit amberstudent.com and claim your perfect home away from home now.